Hello everyone, welcome to this Bold BI tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through a step-by-step process for installing the Bold BI server in the Docker environment. This will help you create stunning interactive dashboards using various data sources. Let's get started by downloading the Docker Compose file. To download it, log into the Bold BI accounts page. Click the download button to download the Docker Compose file. The downloaded file includes an unlock key. Next, install the Bold BI server. For that, I open the command prompt in the directory where the file was downloaded and run the command to install the Bold BI server. Once installation is completed, enter your local host URL in the browser. Click Go to Dashboards to access the dashboard page. By default, a few dashboards are added to the dashboard server. You can create a new dashboard, add the sample data source and dataset. Then add the necessary widgets. Next, configure the relevant fields in the widgets. Align and format them to showcase the desired widgets. Finally, preview the dashboard. Publish the dashboard and share it with your community for collaborative insights. In this video, I have shown you how to install the Bold BI server in the Docker environment. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.